Hi, in this video, we will learn how to write first, second, and third in Microsoft Word. We will look at two simple methods to do this. Method 1, using the Superscript button. First, type first, second, and third normally in your document. Now select only the letters SD, ND, or RD. Go to the Home tab, and in the Font section, click on the Superscript X-squared button. The selected letters will move up and appear in superscript form. You can use this same method for any number, such as 4th, 5th, or 10th. Method 2, using equation. In the second method, go to the Insert tab. Click on Equation in the Symbols section, and an equation box will appear. Now click on Script, and from the options, select Superscript. You will see two boxes. In the first box, type 1, and in the second box, type SD. This will correctly display 1, say. You can repeat the same steps to write second and third by changing the text in the boxes. To learn more useful tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.